Hello, I am Jayaprada and I am very happy to talk to you today about generating the sales and promoting the products with our number one sales tool, the Oriflame catalog. We begin with how to close a sales. At the same time, open a relationship with your customer that will last for a longer time and can transform into a long-lasting friendship or a business partnership. What do you think is the reason Oriflame is so unique and different than competition? It's the personal recommendation, the human touch. That's why sharing the catalog is not enough to generate the sales and gain the loyal customers. You should try to understand the need of your customer and based on that recommend the products. Approach the sales as the way of helping the customer solve their problems and meet their needs rather than as a sales pitch. Ask a question such as, what are your skin concerns? Describe to me your daily routine. How would you like to improve your well-being? After listening to your customer concerns and getting to know them a little better, it's a time to recommend the right product. Remember to keep it personal. For example, you can say, let me tell you about a product that changed my life, or let me recommend you a product that was absolutely made for you. When recommending a product and its benefit, you should always remember to mention the safety and quality of our product. Talk about the main ingredients, uniqueness and sustainability. You can take an order immediately or get back to the customer in 2 days to see if they have any questions and take an order then. After the order has been placed, follow up with your customer after 3 days to make sure that the parcel has arrived. Then reach out to them again after 7 days to make sure that they started using the product and if they do it the right way. And then in 15 days, it's a time to reach out once again asking for the feedback and the product review. When meeting and talking to a new customer or even current customer, for that matter, you definitely meet with some objection. That's just the way it is. People may not be convinced to buy your product for many different reasons and they have a right to do so. It's simply okay. Take every objection you hear as an opportunity to address the objection and move the sales forward. The opportunity to prove your product knowledge and an opportunity to open a new relationship of trust. The most common objection you may hear are, the products are too expensive, products are available in e-commerce platforms, samples are not available. There are few basic rules that you need to follow to make sure that you handle an objection in a positive manner and move the relationship forward. First of all, always acknowledge the problem and show understanding. In a sales, there is no place for contradicting objections. For example, I know exactly what you mean. I was thinking the same thing when I heard of this product. Be empathetic. For example, I really understand your problem. Let's try and figure out together how we can find a solution and a perfect product for you. Inspire a confidence in Oriflame and yourself as an entrepreneur collaborating with an international and trustworthy company. For example, Oriflame is a multinational company, runs in more than 60 countries with a very strict international quality standards. We manufacture here in India and have lakhs and lakhs of satisfied customers across the country. Another rule is to come up with an alternative solutions. For example, if you really don't want this product, I have a great alternative. It's our second best product for your concerns. You may want to start with this one. And finally, probably the most important is not to be pushy. Don't force the sales. That will never work in a long run. When you push too hard, some may purchase your product just to get rid of you and they will never answer a call from you again. So don't burn the bridges. If your reasoning doesn't work, simply honor your customer decision and keep your communication and your relationship open. For example, no problem, it's up to you. Let me know if you change your mind and I will keep you informed if there will be any other product you might like. Now let's see if you remember the rules and know how to handle some of the most common objections. I would like to propose a short quiz. I will read an objection and give you two possible answers, answer A or B. You have then 10 seconds to choose your answer. After the 10 seconds, the answer will be marked in a green, which is right. And you will know if you can handle the objection well or if you still need some practice. If someone says the NutriShake is too expensive, you will answer option A. That's not true. It's just 2,999. Everyone can afford it. Option B. I understand it is an extra expense, but it is an investment that will improve your well-being. So what? Which answer is it? What would you say to that comment? A or B? It's of course the answer B. Why? Because you acknowledge the concern and keep the conversation positive by focusing on the benefits of the product. Let's move to the second objection. What if someone says, my favorite skincare product is out of stock? You answer A. Let's wait until it's available again. B. I have a great replacement for you that will take care of your skin concern in a greater way. So what do you think? What would you say that? Comment A or B. It's again answer B because you propose an alternative solution. And let's move to the last objection. What if someone says this product is available cheaper on the e-commerce site? You will answer option A. I get that it might be tempting to buy it there, but let me assure you that the only way to ensure Oriflame high quality standards and money back guarantee is to purchase it directly from a brand partner. You never know what is sold elsewhere. Option B. Oh, I don't know how that is possible. What would you say to that comment? A or B? This time A is the right answer because you inspire confidence in Oriflame and you as a brand partner who is promoting the products. So let's summarize what we have learned today. We discussed how important it is to give a personal recommendation when selling a product. Sales in Oriflame is about listening to the people's concerns, recommending solutions and opening a long-lasting relationships. We have also learned how to seek opportunities in the objections that people may have. We just need to keep in mind to be empathetic, positive and develop a good relationship with our customers. Go ahead, pick up the latest catalog and plan who do you know who will be your first customer. Plan which products you want to promote first. Start today.